Good morning. My name is Katie. Welcome to my channel. We need to talk about my eyebrows. So, I don't know how many of you guys do your eyebrows, but you know how there's mornings when you do one eyebrow and it's like great, and then you do the other eyebrow and it's too much, and so then you go back and do the other eyebrow to match the other eyebrow. And that's how you end up looking like Bert. And so, instead of just painting on my fucking eyebrows, like, I just decided, fuck it. They're just gonna be imperfect, or are they imperfect? Are they too perfect? I don't fucking know, dude, but I need to stop before I fucking go to school with two black eyes. Anyway, hi. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I actually did a thing. I got on Mercari. For those of you who don't know, Mercari is a website like Poshmark where you can get on there and you can buy things that other people that they're used things. Now, the thing about makeup, and we all know this, even people that don't buy very much makeup, you have definitely bought something that you used one time and it looked like shithole, and so you threw it in a basket, and then after a while you said, fuck makeup, I hate makeup, it doesn't look good, I don't really like it that much, and you've got a fucking basket full of makeup. Anyway, so on Mercari you can sell that makeup, like if you swatched it and just didn't dig it or whatever, you know, you got it in PR. I don't fucking know how people get it. I have a ton of makeup that I'd like to sell on Mercari, but I'm too fucking disorganized. So, I just advertise it all on Mercari and fuck people over and then get bad reviews. So, I bought the Venus 2 palette. Moving into the actual intro of the video, I bought the Venus 2 palette, and since it's still fall for another month, but it feels like fucking winter, I feel like I'm just gonna do one more. No, I'm going to do another fall look with the Venus 2 palette, even though it doesn't match my hair, even though it doesn't match the weather. I'm gonna do this because I'm super excited about this palette and I want to get a look in before fall is actually over. I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 221, and I'm going to go in with the color Mustard as my transition. I'm in love with that. That is the most beautiful mustard I've ever seen. And then I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 228. I'm going to go into this orange jam, and I'm just going to go into the crease and the outer V. I'm just going back in with my Zoeva 221 to blend out that outer, get rid of all those harsh lines, or there isn't really any harsh lines. This palette blends like a dream. I've never had a problem with any of the Lime Crime shadows. I'm going to dip back into the mustard and go along the lower lash line. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the lower lash line as I did on the top lid. On the lower lid. Ooh, that looks beautiful on my monitor. Ooh. And in, just kind of getting that along the lower lash line as well. You know, it's funny. Eventually, I'd really like to get a boyfriend. I'm single. It's the first time I've been single in my whole life. That's kind of been a benefit of my recovery. I'm going to go into mud and deepen the outer V with my Morphe M506. Anyway, I'm single for the first time ever, and I love it. I love my life single. And I talk about it all the time, how much I love it. And there's like, I mean, I kind of think I'm interested in this guy or whatever, but I'm not interested enough. I'm not more interested than I am interested in my life. So that's kind of the thing. That's where I'm at. Like, I don't have time right now to be interested in somebody because I'm too fucking busy being interested in my own shit. And so, yeah, you don't know. I just got a message from him and I'm like, oh, and then I'm like, oh. That's pretty good, actually. I really like that. I don't want to go in with this and get rid of it. This is the brush that I use the color jam on. I'm just using it to blend that. I really like that. Should I leave it? Does it need a little tiny bit of black? This black has blue shimmer in it, and I'm sure it won't go in there, but I'm not going for it. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to add a little tiny bit more mud. Just in the outer. Love that. Love it. Okay. Man, that looks really good. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M508 smudger brush, and I'm just going to drag that color mud along just on the lash line, on the lower lid, on the outer part, and then blend it out. Blend it out, girl. And then back in with my Zoeva 221 and get that outer transition. Okay, and then my NYX glitter primer on my dirty ass ABH brush. Run that along the lid. And I'm just going to go for the on the nose look. I'm going to take Pigeon and I'm going to run that on my lid with just the back side of this ABH brush. Ooh, that's really picks up. Ooh. I'm really glad I got this palette. I'm just gonna say it right now. And I'm gonna go in with my M508 and blend out the outer part. That is so beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with my ABH brush into Pigeon, and I'm just going to put that right here. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe pencil brush from the I Slay collection, which I always say the I Slay palette when I'm editing. I'm like, why do I do that? And then I'm going into Fly, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And actually, I'm going to go in, it's the Zoeva 231, and I'm going to actually just dip into Fly a little bit more. This might easily be my new inner corner highlight brush. Got a little black thing right here. What is that? Get it. Get it out! Boom, that looks bomb. Okay, I'm going in with the color Torch with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil. And I'm gonna do my other eye, put on my mascara and some lipstick, and I'll be back with the final look. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I am in love with this palette. Excuse me. Excuse me. Guys, is I added the color Fly that I used for my inner corner highlight onto my brow bone as a brow bone highlight, which I rarely do anymore, but I still really like it. And then I use my Lime Crime Lip Glaze cream lipstick in the color Herb on my lips, and it matches perfectly. So anyway, if you love this look, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see every time that I upload. You guys could have been doing anything right now, but you were spending time with me, and I appreciate you. I love you guys so much. Bye.